Alam mo ba, halos lahat ng successful businesses ngayon gumagamit ng paid media. Google Ads, Meta, TikTok, LinkedIn, Microsoft Ads, at simple lang ang reason. Mas mabilis itong makakuha ng results kesa organic strategy. Hi, I'm Ferlin. Welcome to Ad Alchemy. I'll help you grow your business and your skills through paid media. Ang paid media ay kahit anong advertising platforms na binabayaran mo para magkaroon ka ng visibility. Unlike organic marketing na umaabot ng buwan bago magkaroon ng reach, paid ads can put your brand in front of your target audience instantly. For example, with Google Ads, lalabas ka mismo sa oras na may naghahanap ng product or service mo. With Meta Ads, you can reach people based on their interests and behaviors. Sa TikTok, pwede mong makuha ang attention gamit ang creative videos. At sa LinkedIn Ads, diretso ka sa professionals and decision makers. Kaya ginagamit ito ng lahat. From small startups hanggang global brands. Hindi ito tungkol sa kung sino ang may pinakamalaking budget, pero kung sino ang marunong gumamit ng tamang strategy, targeting, at messaging. Kaya kung nafe-feel mo minsan na lost ka sa ads, don't worry. Gagabayan kita, step by step, kung paano gumawa ng campaigns na talagang magdadala ng results. From BPO to paid media executive, this is Ad Alchemy by Ferdin. Let's go smarter with ads.